All right, we're going to go a little bit deeper now into using the unit circle to talk about the domains of trig functions. So in this case, when we talk about domains, we think about the angles, okay, that we can plug in. To our trig functions. Now, one thing that we're going to find is sine and cosine, we have no issues, okay? You can go round and round the unit circle forever and ever and ever and ever and ever, and so you can take the sine and cosine of any angle, also negative angles, okay? But it's not so true for the other four. Let's go ahead and make a table down here for the 6 trig ratios. So we're going to do 0, 90, 180, and 270, and 0 or 360 just goes back to 0. Now let's do sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. All right, at this angle right here, which they're called quadrantal angles, this is the point on the unit circle 1, 0. So remember, we do sine, cosine. Tangent is sine over cosine, so we're good here. However, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so we have undefined for cosecant here. Secant is the reciprocal of sine, so we're good. And then again, look at cotangent, reciprocal of tangent, undefined. So we can't take the cosecant of 0 degrees. We can't take the cotangent of 0 degrees. At 90, that's now the point 0, 1. So cosine is 0 and sine is 1. Let's look at tangent. Well, if tangent is sine over cosine, I now get tangent is undefined here. Cosecant's good to go. Secant is not. And then cotangent ends up being the reciprocal of tangent. We're actually good here. It's equal to 0. Let's continue this here. -1, 0. So sine is 0, cosine's -1. Tangent, sine over cosine. Good to go. Cosecant, not good. Secant, good to go. Cotangent, not good. All right, last one. This time, sine over cosine for tangent, undefined. Cosecant, the reciprocal of sine, good to go. Secant, the reciprocal of cosine, nope. And cotangent, the reciprocal of tangent, good to go, that's just 0.